Good morning, everyone. Tuesday morning. It's are we in April? Yeah, April 1st today, guys. Oh boy. Let's hopefully we get something like last year, right around this time. Stuff started peaking. Let's take a look at our. Let's go through the whole thing again. Actually, we're up a bit today on Bitcoin. It's kind of spiked up all of a sudden from what is this, 82 to 84.7. So we had a big spike today, 1.27% from yesterday, and it's continuing to rise. Let's look at the big chart over here. This is the mountain that I keep showing you guys all the time, let's see. Yeah, you can see it. This is this big mountain from here to, maybe here that we're developing. I doubt that it's going to plummet back down here again. It's very likely that it may go this way. Very likely that we can do a rebound. And it's also likely that we can go up. But, going straight down again, perhaps here, I don't think as much if that happens. Based on everything that I've seen in the past, I'm basing this on, all the stocks and everything that I've seen. Although some stocks just, crap out because they're, the companies are bankrupt and, it just goes down. This is not gonna go bankrupt unless something happens with the whole network and the whole thing goes up in flames. I mean, I guess then everybody loses their money. I don't know what would happen. The network or the whole thing just crashes somehow. I mean, a real crash that you can't recover this stuff. That's why we have Bitcoin Cash. That's why you should never put all your money into Bitcoin. Never. I don't put any money into Bitcoin because it's slow moving up and down. Although this time around it surprised a lot of people, and the altcoins didn't do anything. Where over here, you had a big rise, the altcoins moved up, and they finally cut. Wait, where am I? Right here, you had a big rise in Bitcoin, and the altcoins started catching up. Also, they started coming in. They came in, and boom, everything came down, and then Bitcoin went up again, and then it came down. In the meantime, the altcoins made a big move, and then everything just went down. Here, nothing, with the exception of maybe 2 or 3 coins of the popular ones. Well, maybe 5, like GXLM and stuff like that, or XLM. A couple others. Solana did good also. We have this. The altcoins haven't caught. They just haven't flamed up. A lot of false little starts all along here, but nothing. And like I say, I think the money just went from cryptocurrency. It just went into Bitcoin, and we still have to see. We still have, there's still about a year, right about here, between here and here. Going actually over here, going from here to here. That's about a year, maybe a year and a quarter, a year and a half, that the altcoins can still come into season. So we'll just keep tracking this out. We've developed ahead. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that we're just developing something here. It came up and we developed the head. Here we have a shoulder, and to me, it looks good because there's opportunity that this can go higher. I don't think it's going to go sideways. It can either go higher, being what crypto is, or Bitcoin can just drop a lot more, to these levels right about here. And then this money, maybe this is about, how much is a Bitcoin? How many trillions does it have now? 1.78 trillion. So if we can get this right about here, all this money here going into altcoins instead of meme coins and gold, then we can have some activity. You guys follow me? Okay, that's it for Bitcoin today. Let's look at the coin market cap. The other ones, the whole thing is up today. Yesterday we had a lousy day, but we've got some activity. Things beginning to look a little bit greener. Over here, Litecoin has gone up in the last 24 hours about 3%. Bitcoin Cash about 4%. And if we go back to our Grayscale stuff, here's our Grayscale. Most of the Grayscale, these are the stuff that we can buy, right? There's a lot of other stuff that Grayscale has, but it's not listed here. So we're halfway, Stellar Lumens is up 10% nicely today. Bitcoin Cash up 6% on the Grayscale. Nice. 15 cents. And basically, Litecoin is up 2%. Let's see, a lot of people have HZEN. It's down today. But it was up quite a bit the other day, a couple of weeks ago. Chainlink is down too, but it was up somewhat. Let's look at the AIs real quick, and everything's green on the AI stocks. So the money is there, and gold is doing what today? It's up $6 to $31.26. So gold continues its upward trend. Like I say, some of our money, I think it's tied up into some of these other markets. The people last last time around, they got pretty much burned. We have, I'm in the green again today. Nice. Okay. That's why you never sell. You don't want to. I do have this margin here, which is not too nice, but I could get rid of it by getting rid of the. I have 140 NVDA, but this NVDA. It hasn't gone up. NVDA hasn't gone up at all. NVIDIA hasn't gone up this ever since last year. Once it we got the, what was that, 5 for 1? Yeah, I think it was 5 for 1. It was about 140, and it hasn't moved. No, it was 140. What am I saying? Actually, it was about $140, and it hasn't really moved from there. It's gone down, if anything. I think it was 130. So it hasn't moved. MSTR hasn't really moved, even though it's gone up a little bit here. Walmart is still doing good on it. They use a wealth generator like mine. Walmart people. Could that be one of the reasons that they keep going up and up and up and up and up, even though they sell cheap products and stuff like that? But they're doing something else, sort of like McDonald's. They're I think one of the people in McDonald's, the famous guy, I forget his name. He said he's not in the hamburger business. He's in the real estate business. They own a lot of real estate, so. McDonald's is really in the real estate business. Their hamburgers are, just support. They support the the habits, should I say? Just about everything is kind of green on mine today. That's pretty much it. Pretty much it for today. as far as our Grayscale trust and our crypto markets, and just we're keep looking, and like I say, I'm still hopeful for the next year to year and a half. We got April. Now it's April. Today is April. So let's see if the other thing is, spring break. A lot of people pause. A lot of people pause in March, late March, early April for spring break. So a lot of the trading kind of stops, and people will get back into, like last year we had that nice rise in April, May, right around this time. So hopefully something happens, and I'm not touching my portfolio. If I need to get a job, I'll get a job, but I don't want to take any more money out of it now, because this could be a tremendous amount that I may rise. Okay, that's all I got